Yo, what's up guys? This video is gonna be Pwning Blogging, as the title above says. And I guess what's prompted me to do this is the Milltown clan. We kind of like, I kind of want to find some people to do a few different collaborative blogs to have, you know, instead of it's just me adding the content, you have a group of people, you know, for Chinese, economics, whatever. But before that happens, you know, if you don't have blogging experience, you would need to, anyway, I'm rambling about that. So this is about getting into the whole blogging scene. Shout out to Tom, the video game guy, and Magdelicious. I'll have links. They both have YouTube pages, and they're both, we're inquiring about blogging. And I'm going to tell you, I don't want to get into any kind of comparison of the different blogging services. I'll just tell you right now, I use WordPress. I used Blogger in the past, but I used it so long ago that I can't even comment on it anymore, because I tried using WordPress.com a long time ago and didn't like it, but now I love it. Before I used WordPress.com, before I started using that, I was using WordPress. You can, it's open source, so you can download it, install it on your own domain, and run it like that. But doing that, you have to constantly upgrade it, and if you want to get cool stuff, you have to I'll do all that yourself. On WordPress.com, they got a bunch of cool stuff. I also wanted to say that blogging and doing any internet discussing, leaving comments on YouTube videos and discussing all this kind of stuff really helps. It helps your, I think, critical thinking, and helps you able to, helps you be able to think better, and your writing gets better. You're able to communicate better. It's just a really good thing. And I wish I had, I'm sorry this stuff is always all low budget. I wish I had like some kind of video capture thing, and I wish I, had a tripod and a different camera. But whatever, I'm just going to grab the camera and kind of walk you through WordPress real quick. And if you have any questions that you don't find, first searching their own help and everything, by all means leave a comment here or leave a comment on the blog. And I also wanted to say that I'm going to make blog posts for the other videos I made, and not make videos here for just a little pause, just to get those videos on the blog and write little articles or whatever for them. So let's walk over here real quick. So I use WordPress.com, but like I said, you can use any blogging service. You can start anywhere. I personally would give you, I'm endorsing WordPress.com, but you can start anywhere, and after a place starts to piss you off, you'll start looking other places to see if you can find something better. And if you find something better, it's usually really easy to move your data around. And that's another reason why I like WordPress. They make it easy for you to leave if you want to. So I'm logged in already, but if I wasn't logged in, there'd be a little sign up thing. So you go to WordPress.com, there'd be a little sign up thing. So this is another blog I'm working on, 414.org. It's going to be stuff about Milwaukee, but this is basically what you get when you sign up. The sign up process is really simple. You just need an email address and a name for your blog. You see up here I have 414.org. So you pick that out, and boom, there's your blog. And I just wanted to show you a few quick things up here. Here you have write. Write is where you do all your writing. Manage is where you kind of manage your different pages and posts. Design is for design, comments, upgrades. And under each one of these, you'll have another set of, I'm kind of pointing low, that sucked. But anyway, I'm not looking at, I should be looking here. But so here you have these different things, and each one you click, like let's see, if I click manage, you're going to have a few more options underneath that. So now I have posts, pages, links, categories, all that kind of stuff. So do go through all this stuff, and find out what it's all about. You can, I think they give you 3 gigs of space to upload movies and audio and pictures and stuff. What I wanted to say is the first thing I would do is go right to design. I had a design opened up over here. So here's design. You click on design, and it's really easy to make your blog look a little cooler. Here's the first, basic thing, but they have 5 pages of templates for you to choose from. And the one I like is right here. Cut line. I just want to show you how easy it is. You just click on it. It's going to generate some stuff. Hey, this is what your page looks like if you want to use this. Do you want to use this? Up in the corner here, activate cut line. Boom. And now if I go here and hit refresh, my blog should look different. Look at that. I just made a totally different website. So, and I also wanted to point out the widgets here. Widgets is right under here. Oh, sorry. Widgets is right under here in design. These videos will get better one day. But widgets right here, you can add a whole bunch of widgets for a calendar. I think they have a Flickr thing down here. Your blog stats, just a bunch of little things you can throw. When you hit add, it'll show on the sidebar. And hey, so that's, I just wanted to point that out. It's cool. Finally, to write a post, you just do the title. You do the title, you do the code stuff here. I feel like this video is really gonna suck, but I'm gonna knock it out anyway. You do the title, and right here is if you want to like bold something, you hit bold, and you'll see the little code there. You type something and you close it. So you'll learn a little bit of coding. You can turn on the WYSIWYG style one. I'll find that real quick. I'll pause things. Tags, if you're writing about, I don't know, like categories is how you categorize it. So let's say you have a category called martial arts. So you write an article about martial arts, that'd be the category. But in the tags, maybe if this one's Tai Chi or BJJ or whatever, that's what the tags are for, just to make a little sense out of that. And if you have any questions, they have a help thing. Like right here, you'll see forums and help and support, and you can go there and ask anybody anything. Like I said, you can ask me questions in the comments or in the comments on this blog post, and I'll do my best. But it's probably better to it's better interacting on the forums and stuff. You learn how to do it to find that information yourself. Just because if I'm busy and can't answer it, you're gonna be salty. But you can just jump on right there. And let me find out how to turn on the WYSIWYG. Some people might like that. Yeah, the reason why I wanted to show you how to do this is because I remember it being a little bit tricky to find. And there's a good reason, though. They have it so if you have multiple people using your, doing a blog, some people will want the WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG is what you see is what you get. It makes it a little bit easier to, see what you're dealing with. And other people like me would want to just deal with the code. So you go to users. Users is over on the side here. You go to users. And then you'll click on your name or your profile. You'll find it, and there's a little check here. Use the visual editor when writing. Then update. Scroll down to update profile. And now if I do write, the editor should be it'll be different, I think. So last time you saw when I bolded it, I had to do some code or whatever. Whoa, things look really, really different. Oh, things are loading up. Things are very different. Still loading. So now, if I write and I can highlight this and hit bold, you see it bolded there. Or if I do a strike through, I don't know if you can see it, but do a strike through if I italicize it. So you can just basically see what you're getting, and that should be a good start to blogging for someone who's new and had a few questions, like Tom and Magdalicious. All right, peace out.